Good afternoon, this is David Marks with Operation Barbecue Relief. We're out here with Blue Rhino cooking up some stuff on the grill. Today we're going to show you guys how to make some amazing burgers, really juicy, really amazing, and we're going to show you a little trick of how we do it. So right here I have some certified Angus beef burger, ground burger, and I've got about a half a pound of meat. What I'm going to do here is I've actually cut a couple patties of butter, and I'm going to put that butter right in there, and then I'm going to loosely kind of fold the top over on it and put it into a ball, and then I'm going to form that burger into a burger patty. One of the things you do want is a little bit of nooks and crannies on the sides as you're forming that burger. But again, I'm starting to put that in there. That butter's on the inside. When that burger hits the grill and that butter starts to melt on the inside, you are going to have the most juicy burger you've ever had in your life. So now, look, really easy, nice burger formed. And we are going to season that burger before we put it on the grill, and we're going to actually season it with our Operation Barbecue Relief Texas SPG rub. So literally a nice medium coat of seasoning on the burger. We're going to make sure we get it on all sides, and then we're going to put it on the grill, and it's going to be amazing. And simple, easy, but great burgers are amazing. We're going to show you some other things we're going to do on a burger as well. It's going to be really fun and cool to do it a little bit differently and really set your burgers apart on the grill. Take a look at that, nice and seasoned, still see the meat through it, medium seasoning, ready to rock and roll on the grill. All fired up by Blue Rhino. All right, man, I got some cool stuff for you this afternoon. We're gonna make burgers and all kinds of stuff, but you know, if you really want to kick it up a notch, there's a lot of different ways to do things. First of all, I'm gonna cook and toast burger buns, but we're not even gonna do regular burger buns. We're gonna make inverted burger buns, and we're gonna turn them into almost like a grilled cheese sandwich with a burger on the inside. So what I've done over here is I have a half pan disposable, nice and easy to work with. When we're done, we're just gonna throw it away. I got a pan in there with some butter. I'm gonna take these burger buns, and I'm going to put the burger buns on the grill, and I'm gonna put them cut side down, so they're getting nice and toasted in that pan. Once again, cut side down in the pan, really awesome. Then we're gonna take our cheese, and we are going to put a slice of cheese on top of each one, inverted again on that bun. You're gonna end up getting the really soft chew of that bun when you go into biting those burgers, and you're gonna get a nice crispy, crunchy, crusty outside. Gonna be really amazing. So right now, all we're gonna do is let those sit in there and get toasty, and the cheese is gonna melt. All right, we're getting ready to cook our hamburgers, and I just want to get the grill ready. I actually made an herb mop with rosemary, sage, and thyme. And what we're going to do is take some olive oil and some garlic, and we're just going to get the grill nice and oiled up, ready for those hamburgers. Make this as non-stick as we can, and it already smells, oh my God, amazing. So we took these burgers that we pattied up. We've got a medium coat of our Operation Barbecue Relief salt, pepper, garlic rub, which is really meant for beef. And they're going to be amazing on these certified Angus beef burgers. They're half pounders, as we talked about, and we've got that butter on the inside. They are going to be amazing, amazing burgers when they're done. They're going to be nice and juicy, and we're going to cook them to 165 degrees to make sure everything's safe for everyone, and we can't wait to get them out of the grill. All right, so now we're just going to take and see where these burgers are. They're getting close. We want 165. We're at about 131 degrees. But they are definitely looking good. 132 on that one, so I'd say we've got about 4 minutes. We're going to pull them off at 165, and they're going to be amazing. The temperature of these burgers, yes, 167, so we're a couple degrees over on that. These bigger ones are going to be right on the money. I'm going to pull them off. I'm going to put them right in that pan, and we're going to go build us a burger. Looking awesome.